How do you think about building that culture? You're new in the gig and trying to make sure you're leaning into the new culture. How do you think, and how would you recommend to other people that they go about building that type of a culture?
Well, I think it takes a village, right? And one of the things that really attracts me to this area in Hartford, and it was talking with Marty over at Stanley Black and Decker, and the various other people in our Colin Cooper, and if we create an ecosystem here of excellence, innovation, and quite frankly excitement, I think it self creates. And you can create it within an organization, but I think if you can be more effective by creating it within a community, it becomes infectious. Those best practices share, the fast followers, how do we do this better than someone else? I think if you're open to whatever you need to do to create that environment and have that sort of open mindset, I think you'd be much more effective of creating itself. It's hard on a company by company specific. We all know the ups and downs of internal challenges, of culture challenges. But if you have a culture within a community that's reinforced by that, it becomes so much easier. And not only that, but it lasts a lot longer. It's a lot more endearing.